Hello everyone, welcome to BestSub's free training program. Today's subject is how to use a 3D vacuum machine. Now let's get started. For preparation, we can do the following jobs in sequence to start this printing process. First, turn on the main power switch, then vacuum pump, warm up the circulation fan, turn on the heater and keep the working table in vacuum condition. Then the machine starts to work and the temperature keeps rising, and we must be sure that the voltage matches the rated voltage of 220 volts. As the temperature rises, we can possibly set the time a bit longer, and when it rises to 180 centigrade, the pressure will decrease to minus 0.1 MPa. Before the temperature of the oven box rises to 180 centigrade, we'll need to prepare the targeting item of printing. Today, we're gonna print a plate by transferring this beautiful image onto it. For sure, this picture is already printed with sublimation ink onto a piece of sublimation paper, and now we're going to fix this paper onto the blank plate with help of thermal tape. In order to apply it better, we could trim the printed paper around by a scissor or anything else you think easy to handle to a degree that it looks nearly the same shape as the plate. To save paper or just to make the cutting job much easier, you'd better choose the suitable paper size according to the size of the printing item. After fixing the plate and the paper, put them into the board. And at this time, we will also need another layer of substrate to be placed above the paper. So during the printing process, the paper will not get splitted easily. And here also we chose a piece of paper to place above it. So basically there are two pieces of papers, one sublimation paper with picture and another piece of paper for protecting. And then close the cover and buckle the board and turn on the loading switch. After the paper has been checked tightly onto the plate, we push the board into the oven box and reset the time. Here we set it at 4 minutes. Now, all we need to do is simply waiting for the auto printing till the time's up. And when the machine plays music, we can pull out the board and turn the loading switch. Reversing. Take up the cover and remove the paper to get the items and see the printing effect. Please do remember to wear gloves before taking out the printed items, otherwise you will be injured very easily by the heat. Until now, the printing is finished. For continuous printing, just put the items into the board and repeat above process. Now, we're going to show you how to cut up the machine. First, turn off the vacuum pump and the heater, then off the circulation fan for warming up. When the temperature is lower than 100 centigrade, we can turn off the main switch safely.